Hello everyone. I'm back with another interesting and fun way to learn English with Alia Bhatt. I hope you enjoyed this video just like you loved all my previous ones. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started.
Industry their life because it's so random and haphazard. So
Haphazard means done without planning, order, or care, random and often messy or confusing. Example, he packed his clothes in a haphazard way, throwing everything into the suitcase randomly.
thank you for having me.
Having me means accepting, hosting, or including me in an event, place, or situation. Example, thanks for having me at your party. It was really fun and I felt welcome.
I was not on mommy duty at that time.
Mommy duty means the tasks and responsibilities a mother does to care for her children. Example, I couldn't join the call. I was busy with mommy duty, feeding and bathing my baby.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Like there's no agenda behind
Correct.
it. It's just a conversation.
Agenda means a list of things to do, discuss, or plan in a meeting or day. Example, before the meeting started, she shared the agenda so everyone knew what to discuss.
I like to hang out with my close.
Hang out means to spend relaxed, casual time with friends or someone, doing nothing serious. Example, we love to hang out at the cafe after school and talk about everything.
Moments I can't really indulge in small talk very well.
Indulge means to allow yourself or someone to enjoy something enjoyable, often a treat or desire. Example, she indulged in a big chocolate cake after a long, stressful day at work.
Fuss into our own cocoons.
It means everyone is staying alone, in their own world, avoiding others or social interaction. Example, after the argument, all of us went into our own cocoons, avoiding each other completely.
I felt like I was retracting a lot.
Retracting means pulling back, taking back a statement, or withdrawing something said or extended before. Example, he ended up retracting his comment after realizing it had hurt her feelings.
Beautifully chaotic. There was a lot going on.
Chaotic means very messy, disorganized, or confusing, with no order or control at all. Example, the classroom became chaotic when the teacher left and everyone started shouting and running around.
Conversation. I think I overspoke that year. I just felt like
Overspoke means talked too much or said something unnecessary, often causing confusion or misunderstanding. Example, he overspoke during the meeting and accidentally revealed the surprise plan to everyone.
for life. It's not come my way.
Yeah. Well,
Come my way means to approach or move toward me or to happen to me. Example, if you see any good job opportunities, please come my way and let me know.
But it was a new phenomenon at that time, perhaps.
Phenomenon means something unusual or amazing that happens or exists, often noticed by many people. Example, the Northern Lights are a beautiful natural phenomenon seen in cold, northern countries.
And that's my most fondest memory growing up, whether it
Fondest memory means the happiest or most special moment you remember from your past. Example, my fondest memory is our family trip to the beach when I was a child.
like I really knew the intricacies of being an actor or
Intricacies are the small, detailed parts of something that make it complex or complicated. Example, she explained the intricacies of the new software, showing all its detailed features.
in fact, one thing I say very candidly is that
Candidly means speaking honestly and openly, without hiding feelings or trying to be polite. Example, she candidly told her boss that the project was too difficult to finish on time.
I do have specific actors that I'm very fond of, but
Fond means liking or loving someone or something very much with warm, happy feelings. Example, she is very fond of her puppy and spends a lot of time playing with it.
I was bookish about it. I didn't study it.
Bookish means someone who likes reading and studying a lot, often more than other activities. Example, he is quite bookish and prefers reading novels over playing sports with friends.
Just enthusiasm to be entertained.
Enthusiasm means showing strong excitement and interest in something you enjoy or want to do. Example, She showed great enthusiasm for painting and spent hours creating beautiful artwork.
You can't change the person's grain, you know. So my grain is to just like enjoy.
A person's grain means their natural character, nature, or usual way of thinking and behaving. Example, he's honest by nature. It's just in his grain to always tell the truth.
What's happening there? It's fascinating. And that
Fascinating means extremely interesting and attractive, something that captures your attention completely. Example, the documentary about space was fascinating. I couldn't stop watching and learning new things.
about it, I'm pretty sure subconsciously, you know, my father's a filmmaker.
Subconsciously means doing or feeling something without realizing it, deep in your mind, not aware. Example, she subconsciously smiled when she saw the puppy, even before she understood why.
Walking alone with a frown on your face, because my resting face is a frown.
Frown means to wrinkle your forehead by bringing your eyebrows together, showing sadness or anger. Example, he started to frown when he heard the bad news about the exam results.
Understood and I've heard. And I think a lot of that rubbed off on me because I know my sister and I.
Rubbed off means a habit, feeling, or quality was gradually learned or influenced by someone else. Example, her positive attitude rubbed off on everyone around her, making the team feel happier.
Away or a party or a dinner. But I do my bit to, you know.
My bit means the small part or effort I contribute to help or complete something. Example, I did my bit by cleaning the room before the guests arrived.
It's sort of embedded in me, in my body.
Embedded means fixed deeply inside something, either physically or as a strong part of an idea. Example, the memory of that day is deeply embedded in my mind.
So now she's really bubbling.
Bubbling means full of energy, excitement, or emotion, or producing bubbles like boiling water. Example, she was bubbling with joy after hearing she got the job.
So of course, become very incessantly protective.
Incessantly protective means always guarding or caring for someone without stopping, often too much. Example, her mom is incessantly protective, constantly checking if she's safe and needs anything.
You know, I was fidgeting with her and she said to me,
Fidgeting means making small movements, often because of nervousness, boredom, or restlessness. Example, he kept fidgeting with his pen during the interview because he was so nervous.
he always had a very calm demeanor or anything, but
Demeanor means a person's outward behavior, attitude, or the way they appear to others. Example, her calm and friendly demeanor made everyone feel comfortable around her.
like just like an amalgamation of like photos and videos.
Amalgamation means the process of combining two or more things into one single whole. Example, the new dish was an amalgamation of Indian spices and Italian cooking techniques. So that was today's fun English lesson with Alia Bhatt. I hope you learned something new and enjoyed it too. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll be back soon with more fun ways to learn English. Till then, keep smiling and keep learning.